my video. Thank you. Look at them. Looking dumb as fuck. Say hi to my YouTube. Thirsty.
Girl, you need to learn how to twerk.
Sexy ladies to the dance floor right now. Make that ass jump right now. Know a couple girls a fool when they do it. Don't stop, let me see you move it. I like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today, you guys, I will be doing the smash or pass on the app that's called Monkey. So if you don't know what's the Monkey app, basically it's people around the world that you don't know as strangers on the app. So basically I will be asking them will they smash or pass me. So if you guys want to see, just keep on watching. Oh, and last time I forgot to screen record. It's because my phone, I don't know, for some reason it stops in between. Every time, I don't know, it just stops. So, hello? Hello? You're weird as fuck. Boy, you're just staring like you're weird. Fuck. You can't talk, nigga? Your teeth crooked? Let me know. Hello? Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me, would you smash or pass me? So you're gonna run from the camera? Now he's scared. He's gonna run from the camera. Hello? Hello? I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? Huh? We run out of time. Like, y'all want to talk. I don't want to talk. Like, let's get on and go. Hello. And they skipping with their boy to these. Hello? Okay. Hey, wait, add time. You gotta add time first. Oh, wait, hold on. Answer my question real fast. I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me? I'm doing a YouTube video. They hear you talking. No, would you smash or pass me? Come on, it's for my video. They hear you talking to me. I'm recording as we talking. Yes, it's for YouTube. Okay, let them know. Huh? Alright. Gotta go. Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? I'm doing a YouTube video. Wait, I didn't tell you to rate me. I said, would you smash me? Talking about 9. Nigga, I said you to smash, not rate. What's poppin'? Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
Smash?
Okay, let them know. Thank you. My phone about to die. Got in here. Hello? Hey, I'm doing a smash or pass on YouTube. Can you tell me, would you smash or pass me? Huh? You talking too much. Talking too much. Why do I like him on my face? Hello?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Hey, I'm doing a video for YouTube. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me?
Smash for sure.
Okay. Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? Huh? What'd you say? Ay, ay, ay. My camera got one bar right now, y'all. My phone about to die too. It's all bad. I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? You breaking up. Sorry. Sorry, buddy. Hey, I'm doing a video for YouTube. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? You're frozen. You're weird. You're just staring at me. Weird ass little boy. They wasting my charge, my battery. Hello? Hello? Say hi to my YouTube. Why you looking like that?
Everybody get that ugly ass, big head ass, fat head ass, cheesy boo boo looking ass, big head ass,
And you're ugly.
Coach, you and me 1 2 cents. 1 2 cents.
Say hi to my YouTube. That's what he get. He tried to come for me. Okay? Like a bug. Hello? Hey, add some time. Add some time. Hey, okay, I have a question. I'm doing a video for YouTube. Can you tell me if you guys will smash or pass me? Thank you. Look at them. Looking dumb as fuck. What are they dancing for? Niggas want to be weird. Say hi to my YouTube. Weird.
What's up?
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you will smash or pass me? Alright, thank you.
Yep.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? Huh? I said I'm not pretty. I am mad that he's ugly. I'm mad at that. He's ugly. Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? Alright. Thank you. Huh? You gotta act like you hear them. What? What'd you say? Add time, boy. Nobody wanna add time. I'm funny because I really be acting like I don't hear them when they tell me add time. Hello? Thank you. Thank you. Your hair cute. Thank you. Your hair cute. Girl, I heard you first time. How many times you gonna say it? Corn on the cob. Check in with me. What? In do your job. What is the name? Hello? God bless your soul. Y'all don't even want to know what that person just said. Oh, Jesus. Hello? Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me?
What?
I'm doing a YouTube video. Would you smash or pass me? No. YouTube video. Can you tell me if you... Thank you. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me? Look. Hello? Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me?
Girl, I was smashed.
Okay. Thank you.
Amazon later.
Boy. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can you tell me if you'll smash or pass me?
Huh?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Hey, yo, fat, what's up?
Off that, what's it? So guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to let me know what else videos you guys want to see next. And I love you guys. Bye.